What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. Guys, I think we got a banger we're going to be bringing you today, talking about ticker symbol CLF here on Robinhood. Now, this is more of a infrastructure kind of play, but as you know, with the price of everything going up with, wood, and your goods and even steel and things like that, and that is what this company focuses on. So this is one I believe that people are giving us around a $30 price point, so a lot of upside on this one. If this is one, I'm going to bring you some information today, enough to get you started, put you out there, do your homework, do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor, and don't sue me, bro. Just here to put out some information. But anyway, all right, so here we are on Google, looking up that ticker symbol CLF. I want to say thanks to my man, Wancho, hit me up in the Discord, kind of gave me a quick reasonings and his beliefs of why this stock, has a chance of making us some money. And I went in here, did a quick little due diligence research and putting this information out. But Cleveland Cliffs is formerly Cliffs Natural Resources, is a Cleveland, Ohio-based company that specializes in mining, beneficiation, and pelletizing in iron ore, as well as steel making, including stamping and tooling. It is the largest flat-rolled steel producer in North America. So that, guys, is pretty exciting. And I do think even here a little bit of a bonus, not that we really seem to care about it, but it does have a dividend yield. Yes, this stock does pay a dividend yield. This company was founded in 1847. It is headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, and we have 25,000 employees, so that is pretty phenomenal. Ironic enough, this thing has 8 analyst ratings, and it's 50-50, so that means 4 analysts give it a buy and 4 analysts say it's a hold. No analyst is saying to sell it, so it kind of seems like it's a safe bet, but we do have earnings coming up here. It says available July 22nd in the pre-market. So we got a little less than a month in earnings. And if we do look at their earnings here, the last kind of 3 earnings they had, the last 3 quarters, they were profitable. They were making money. So they must have beat earnings and they're doing good. So that's pretty good. And if we go up here and look at the chart, this thing has just been kind of on a beeline up north, going to the moon. And ironic enough, this was when I joined, I had someone use my Robinhood link, and they gave me a share of Cleveland Cliffs. I sold it back in August of last year for $5.96. So I thought that was kind of funny. It was one of my free shares I got. And here today, it's up $21.33. So I just wanted to put this out here as well on CNN. Here it has Biden's walkback appears to put infrastructure back on rails, even as the deal's durability is tested. So that is a big part of this deal, talking about, this infrastructure bill, guys. It's looking to be about $1.2 trillion deal without a much larger and more bipartisan bill. So this is talking a lot of money, and Cleveland Cliffs could be the one benefiting from it. And as we're here on Yahoo Finance, there is an article, and it says, here's why Cleveland Cliffs is a strong momentum stock. Now, I'm just going to go down here to kind of the meat and potatoes of this article. And here it says stocks to watch Cleveland Cliffs. And basically, they are giving this a rating. And Cleveland Cliffs is a 3. They say it's a hold on the Zacks rank with a VGM score of a B. Momentum investors should take a note of this basic material stock. CLF has a momentum style score of an A, and shares are up 11.7% over the last 4 weeks. One analyst revised their earnings estimate in their last 60 days for the fiscal 2021, while Zacks' consensus estimate has increased $1.19 to $4.44 per share. CLF also boasts an average earnings surprise of 38.3%. And here it says, with a solid Zacks ranked top tier momentum with the VGM style scores, CLF should be on investors' short list. And if you don't know what that is, this here kind of breaks it down, but they're saying it's a good possible momentum purchase right now. And here was another article on the Seeking Alpha that I wanted to bring to you guys. And here it says that Cleveland Cliffs market is still not pricing the fair value. Now, this was just published yesterday. And here it says, the summary of this is A transferred company, CLF is now the largest flat-rolled steel producer in the United States and the largest iron ore miner. CLF and an edible debt paydown has not yet priced in, and the stock should trade in line with Wall Street favorite Nucor. Despite huge returns over the last 12 months, the stock has 50% upside remaining throughout the year. Appropriate multiples, conservative 2022 EBITDA estimates the value company at $30 plus per share. So there it is, guys. They are saying a $30 price point on this bad boy. Now, there is a lot more information down here in this article that you can go in there and check it out. But I wanted to bring all this to you and give you the rundown on it. It's a great momentum play. And I even was here looking on, we'll go to this here, was also looking on StockTwits, has over almost 25,000 followers. We just need a few more and this bad boy will be up. As I was scrolling down here, there's a lot of people have a lot of great due diligence on here. And people is basically saying from their due diligence and research that even if the infrastructure deal fails, that it's not really even a big deal, that the infrastructure is basically just a bonus if they get it. That kind of reminds me on the Workhorse deal. If Workhorse gets the USPS deal, it would go to the moon. But they're saying if it didn't go through, it'd be okay. But I really think this one is a lot different than Workhorse because this one's already doing great because as the economy and the inflation's going up, there's a lot of craziness going on here. And there is someone here that posted this I thought was pretty interesting. CLF has been mentioned 5 times on the Wall Street Bets daily discussion threads in the last 4 hours, guys. Ranked number 26 out of 128 tickers mentioned. And he put the link right there. But a lot of great information on here as well. Now, like I said, anything you do see on StockTwits, take it with a grain of salt. It is here people just kind of giving their due diligence, whether it's right or wrong. They're just here trying to help each other out. And that's what we're all here trying to do, guys. Help each other out. We're trying to make some money. I think this is one that could be a great infrastructure play. Now, if they're giving a $30 price point on this, that's fine. And this thing could hit it because if you look at the 1 year, this thing was $5 and I sold it back here in August for $5. And just, it's crazy. And then you kind of held dead, but slowly over time, as you can see, this thing just likes to keep going up, which is kind of a great sign of a company that's growing. They pivoted the business, and it seems like it is working out very well for them. So, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Go down below and smash the thumbs up. If you think this is a stock that you would like to purchase, comment down below. If you already own it, comment how many shares you have, and comment down any due diligence that you have on this as well that you can add value to the community down below because we're all here to make some money and capture that wealth. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. I will catch you all in the next video. And remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.